How to find data and history settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find data and history settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile and then click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find this one, security. Click on it and then click here you will find the data and history, and as you see here you can manage download data or apps and websites, and that's it. That's how to find the data and history settings, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.